In this video, we will take a look at the daily suggested workout on your Garmin Forerunner 55. This is where the device will suggest a daily workout and it will update itself based on your training habits, recovery time, and VO2 max. This only applies to run activities. To get started, all we have to do here is press on the start button and we will select the run activity. And from here, we should see this prompt to give us a suggestion for today. You can see here we have a 26-minute run activity at a 10-minute per kilometer pace. We can scroll down here to read a little bit more about why it's suggesting this workout, daily workout. You can see that if we had some intervals or some steps in this workout or this activity, we can see right here. So what we can do here, if we want to do this activity, all we have to do is we'll press on the start, and from here we can either do the workout, we can either dismiss the suggested activity, or we can change the target type. Here I'll press on start. You can see here that it is on pace by default, but we can also change it to heart rate. So I'm going to select heart rate. You can see now that is suggesting a 26-minute activity at a 130 beats per minute, which would be like a zone 2 kind of workout. Once you have that set up, what you can do here is also, if you want to disable the prompt of the suggested workout, you can disable it here. But basically what we're going to do here is select do workout. And now if we need to wait for a GPS signal acquisition, we'll have to wait until we get our counter, but it looks like we're ready to go. And now we're ready to start our activity at this target. And this will count as our daily activity. And this will work the same as usual. We have our up and down buttons to show our different data pages with our data fields based on what you've customized. Right here, you can manually hit a lap button if you want, or if you want to stop the activity, all you have to do is press stop, wait a few seconds, and it will give you the option to either resume your run, save it, lap, or discard. So here I'm just going to discard and say yes. And there you go. That is daily suggested workout on your Garmin Forerunner 55.